Then
go.
can I take this and plug it in here? Or?
No, this is you can't hear these signals. They're really, really low frequency. They're used to control something else. These are your control inputs down at the bottom, on your filter at least. These are the control inputs. So it says mod in, means modulation in, and you affect how much this affects the filter with this fader here. So if you turn this fader up, you should hear that do something. Give this a little bit. Oh, you've got... Okay, so I didn't tell you. The last one is inverted. It's upside down.
Oh.
So that does sound cool. Yeah, that's more predictable.
So can we have multiple modulations?
Oh, yeah, yeah, you can. Starts to fade in rather than being immediate.